Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In the last video I explained questions 15 to 20 from chapter 2 lines and angles based on Olympiad level questions. In this video we will continue from where we left off and unsolved questions 21 to 25 with a clear explanation. So the 21st question is, which of the following set of angles represent acute, obtuse, straight and reflex angles respectively? They given four options. We know that acute angle is less than 90 degrees, obtuse angle means greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So if you observe the options, A 36 degrees is acute, 120 degrees is obtuse angle, 180 degrees is straight angle, 310 degrees is reflex angle. So the option A is correct. This option represents a acute, obtuse, straight and reflex angles respectively. Moving to the 22nd question. The question is, which of the following lines does not contain point P? This is the diagram they given. From the diagram we can see that point P is lying on the lines AB, DE and ST. This means point P is part of these lines. On the other hand, line BC does not pass through point P. It passes through points Q and R but does not contain point P. So based on this analysis, the line that does not contain point P is BC. So the option A is correct. Next, 23rd question. Which of the following figures does not contain a reflex angle inside it? A reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Let's check each figure. The option A has a reflex angle. The option B is a regular hexagon with all interior angles less than 180 degrees. Each angle is 120 degrees. Option C has a reflex angle and option D has a reflex angle. So the option B is correct angle. This figure does not have a reflex angle. 24th question is, find the sum of angles formed inside the given figures. They given two figures and four options. First count the angles in first figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first figure we have 6 angles. In the second figure 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Sum of the angles formed inside the figures total are 14. So the option B is correct. Next, 25th question. If the sum of two angles is greater than 180 degrees, then which of the following is not possible for the two angles? They given four options. The option A is one obtuse angle and one acute angle. B is one reflex angle and one acute angle. C is two obtuse angles and D is two right angles. An obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees and acute angle means less than 90 degrees. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees and right angle is exactly 90 degrees. In the option they given that one obtuse angle and one acute angle. So here I am taking obtuse angle for 150 degrees and acute angle for 50 degrees. 150 degrees plus 50 degrees equals to 200 degrees. This is greater than 180 degrees. Next, B option, one reflex angle and one acute angle. 190 degrees plus 20 degrees equals to 210 degrees. This is also greater than 180 degrees. The C option, two obtuse angle, 95 degrees plus 100 degrees equals to 195 degrees. This is also greater than 180 degrees, that is reflex angle. The last option, D, two right angles. Right angle means 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So, two right angle sum is exactly 180 degrees, not greater than 180 degrees. So, the option D is correct. I hope you understand how to solve these type of problems. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.